Today I'm going to learn Python, and this is 90 days challenge, maybe 100-day challenge. Where I am beginning, I begin from this very beautiful book. This book is Automate the Boring Stuff with Python, Practical Programming for Total Beginners by A.L. Squigart. Right now I am in page number 1, and I have to complete this all 505 page within 100 days with fully loaded knowledge. This book is very, I don't know the secrets of this book right now, but I'm going to explore it with you guys. The brief content of this book is Python basic programming, Python programming basic, and how basic, these are the basic, and automate automating tasks with Python. And this is the course content. Today I will read. I know this introduction part already, so I need not to waste time in this. So I know basic of Python programming, but I need to learn what context he want to chill in this book.